Show me. Zoop. Show me. Show me. Show me. Zoop.
Sits.
Sits.
He's thinking about it. Archer sits.
Sits. Sits.
And now pay him half to hide there. Right in that tree.
Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sits.
And when you're ready, just keep moving down the line.
Zoop.
I'm almost betting money the reason why he wouldn't sit right away is because he's nervous.
Zoop. Sits. Sits.
Nice.
Boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sits. Sits. Richard sits. Zoop.
I guess you had to do light work after lunch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you doing it in this room or outside?
We got all kinds of places around here. Super fun. I like it too. Let's see. Yeah, just keep it moving. Super.
Show me that. Show me. Show me. Show me. Sits. Sits. Good boy. Was it here?
Yeah, right in there somewhere.
Yeah. Good boy.
That's where we're supposed to go.
Zooks. Zooks.
He's got one more. Was Rex certified yet?
We're I'm hoping to certify it on rope next week or two. Yeah, I just sent you all that.
Okay. I found their website.
Sits. 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 Archer sits. 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 Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Is that good?
All right. Where's he at? Where's he at? Yeah, where's he at? Let's go. Where's he at? Look at him.
Yes. Good.
Good girl. All right. Good job. I'm just gonna let you out of here or slip it here. Good. Yeah, good girl. Slip it. Good. Good girl. Good bucking. Pocket. Yes, good girl. Good job. Yep, keep working a little bit. Good job. Somebody else? Here. Good. Goose. Where are we at here? Goose. Hey. Goose. Go on. Good. Hey. Sits. Sits. Now we're back to where we should be. I'm just watching. Okay. Go down these steps through this first door. No, that's I decided against that. Go up this ramp and up around back here. Let's. Where'd he go? Just watch. Glide. All right, pocket me. Good job. Good job. Slip it. Good girl. All right, that's phase one. Here. Bring. Thank you. Hello. Where is your collar? There you go. House. All right. This time, I want you to grab the sleeve, go through this door, and immediately hang a right. You'll come to the end of the hall, turn right, and duck in any one of those rooms. When I get out here somewhere out in this hallway, I'm going to yell at you. You'll come out with your hands up, whatever, but don't comply. You just stay there and let her find you. All right? Watching. Watching. Hands up towards the sound of my voice, or send my dog. You will be bit. Sheriff's Department, come out to the sound of my voice, your hands up, or send my dog. You will be bit. Thanks, here. Pocket. Good. Good job. Make this look easy. Good job. Slip it. Yeah. All right. Good job. Let's go. Yuka. Here she is. Where's he at? Talking to him. Where's he at? Good job. Good. Here. Let's. Just watch it. Just watch. Okay, go down the stairs, up the ramp, and back where Sarah went. Just watch. Glide. Good glide. Just watch it. Yeah. Where's he going? Where'd he go? Just watch him. Good job. Keep pressing further. Good job. Good grief, where's her collar? Slip it. Good job. Son, my dog, he will be bit. Screw you. Oh, you hear that? He just called your mama a poodle. Sheriff's Department, come out with your hands up, the sound of my voice, I'll send my dog, you will be bit. Come get me. Find him. That's okay, just be quiet and let her find you. Good job, check here. Hey, check here, where's he at? Oh, there he is, pocket him. Pocket him, yes, good job. Good job. All right. That was one dark room. Yeah. Talking to him. This way, here. Talking to him.
Hey!
Yes, good job. Good boy. Atta boy. Yes. Go ahead and slip it. It feels weird, but yeah, you can come around the corner.
Sorry.
It's just a men's room.
It's just the men's room.
All right, good
Those
job.
will be good English. I'm excited to see that.
Good.
Boy.
Yeah,
Good
boy.
boy.
Good job.
Good boy.
Good job. Keep working with him there. Keep animating him.
Hey!
Good
Oh.
job, DOG. Slip it. Good job.
Good boy.
Watch him. Good. Yes. Let's go. Fucking him. Watch it. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Be careful.
Fucking him. Fucking him. Where's he? Here? Good. There you go.
Oh!
Slip it. So it wasn't your blood, or his blood, it was your blood. Yes, you watch him. Good boy. Keep on going. Yeah, you watch him.
I think he got his mouth all the way around the
Good.
camera.
Cock
Did
in. Slip it.
He didn't get me at all.
Good job.
That's funny.
I just tell his
Pretty
body.
good.
His body.
I've grown up.
I'm sure.
Super mature. I'm much more mature than I was.
Going to school.
Oh, jeez. Stop running, Hayden. Stop running.
Stop running, Hannah.
Swing, swing, swing. Oh, 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 oh. Yes.
She picked him up. Messed that up. He's so
Good. There you go. Good job. Let him counter that. Okay, working good. Be good. See what he did. Good job.
Got it soon.
Good job, DOG. Good job. What a good boy. Yeah. This way some. Lateral. There we go. Good. There we go. Good job. All right. Good job. Okay, when she's looking back up there again, tell her to bite.
Okay, park. Oh. Parking. Over there, Kara. Over there. Good girl. Good girl, Kara. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Kara.
And just keep it right there.
Okay.
You can get the sleeve back and run up the ramp again.
Kara, outs. Outs. Good outs. Good girl. Good outs.
And let me see. I'm not sure how her obedience is. Do we have a remote on her?
Oh no.
let's just leave her on leash then. I know that kind of messed with her going up the stairs a little bit, but go ahead and just tease her up, run up the ramp.
Watch her, Kara. You watch her. Kara, pocket. Nope. Pocket.
Good. There you go.
Good girl.
Pocket him.
Yeah,
Oh,
she hit the front and then she just like
Yeah.
went back here. Like,
Yeah, that's why it's important for the handler to be there in case
Yeah.
something goes wrong right then. Okay, let's come on down. And we're going to give her a little delay and then excuse me. Go ahead and tease her up. Get her in view here. Okay, take off. Give her a chance to hide. And you can just drop the line and follow her.
Kara, pocket. Kara, over here.
That's okay. Let her go. Yeah. Where's he at?
Where is she? Should I do it?
Where's he at? Okay, so she's thinking that's another room over there. So go ahead and grab her leash and bring her out
Here.
here.
Kara.
Alright, so let's get her back out here. Pop in.
Kara, pocket.
Oh yes. Good
Good
job.
girl.
Good job. All
Good
right.
girl.
Good job. Pocket him. Good job. Yes.
girl.
Good job. Pocket him and slip it.
Good girl, Kara. Good pocket.
Let's do one more down there into that kitchen. But when you go into the kitchen, hang a left,
Okay.
and then hang another left. There's a little room over there of some sort.
Okay.
Just hide in there. I'm gonna tease her up at that doorway.
Kara out. Kara out. Kara out.
Good job. Good house.
Good
girl.
house.
Okay, give her a chance to hide. And assemble.
Pocket.
So you just had to hide back there, so she's smelling that odor,
Okay.
which is fine. Let's get her over here.
Kara, here. Here. Kara.
Grab the leash and let's get her focused again back over this way. When you come out through here, tell her to pop in.
Kara. Pocket. Pocket.
There it goes. Good job.
Good girl. Good girl made a mess. Good girl. I got it, Tim.
And slip it.
Good girl. Good girl.
I'm guessing the first room is the one you said that actually.
I meant that one.
Okay, I
That's okay.
figured, but I was
It
like, I don't know if
worked.
that's a room or not.
Good girl.
Oh, that's a good girl. Get her. Get her. That's a good girl. Get her. Get her. Get her. Oh, get her. That's a good girl. Get her.
Tell her when to slip it.
Oh, take her to her. That's a good girl. Come on.
All right, Haven, just just casually walk down here. Good job, Mrs. Cajun. Oh, yeah.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sheriff John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? Or what you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your hydrant now give you no breaks. Well, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Why did you have to act so mean? Don't you know you're a human being? Born of a mother with the love of a father. Reflection comes and reflection goes. I know sometimes you wanna let go. Hey, I know sometimes you wanna let go. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You're too bad, you're too rude, you're too bad, you're too rude, yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody now give you no break. Police now give you no break. That old soldier man I give you no break. Not even your hydrant now give you no breaks. Well, hey, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, father. Reflection comes and reflection goes. I know sometimes you wanna let go. Hey, 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 I know sometimes you wanna let go. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You're too bad. You're too rude.
Good girl.
You're too bad. You're too rude. Yeah. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for
That's
you?
a good
Bad
girl.
boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it.
Nice.